Notice that all law is commerce. Your name or organization. Your address. City, state, zip code. Email address. Phone number. Date. 2. Recipient's name or organization. Recipient's address. City, state, zip code. Subject. Formal notice regarding the commercial nature of all law. Dear, recipient's name. Legal basis for this notice. This letter serves as formal notification that all law operates within the framework of commerce, contract, and financial obligation. As recognized under commercial law, UCC, Uniform Commercial Code, and Maritime Admiralty principles, all legal proceedings, statutes, and administrative actions are rooted in contractual agreements and financial interests. Understanding this legal foundation is essential to ensuring proper jurisdiction, due process, and legal accountability. Law is a commercial enterprise. All legal systems function within the realm of commerce, contracts, and monetary considerations, making every legal matter fundamentally commercial in nature. The role of the Uniform Commercial Code, UCC. The UCC governs commercial transactions and is directly integrated into statutory and regulatory frameworks. Jurisdiction and contractual consent. Legal authority and enforcement derive from contractual obligations, implied consent, and financial securities. Legal obligations as commercial transactions. Fines, penalties, and regulatory enforcement operate under commercial instruments such as bonds, negotiable instruments, and debt obligations. Immediate required actions. Acknowledge the commercial nature of law. The recipient must recognize that all legal actions fall within the jurisdiction of commerce and contract law. Provide legal proof of jurisdiction. Any entity asserting legal authority must present verifiable documentation establishing contractual jurisdiction. Cease and desist from misrepresenting legal authority. Any attempt to impose non-commercial legal claims without proper commercial foundation shall be considered fraudulent and unenforceable. Legal consequences for noncompliance. Failure to recognize and adhere to the commercial nature of law may result in legal challenges and jurisdictional disputes. Any enforcement action may be contested on the grounds of improper commercial standing. Liability for misrepresentation and fraud. Any attempt to assert non-commercial legal claims may lead to legal penalties and damages. Public and legal scrutiny. Continued misrepresentation of law as non-commercial may result in reputational harm, regulatory penalties, and financial consequences. This notice serves as official documentation affirming that all law is commerce and subject to the principles of commercial contract law. Any failure to comply with this notice shall be met with full legal rebuttal and enforcement measures. A response addressing this matter is expected no later than specific date. If further clarification is required, you may contact me at your contact information. Sincerely. Your name. Your position, if applicable. Your organization name, if applicable. Enclosures, list any attached documents.